Hi, welcome back. Alain Boisvert here from Inaxsys Security Systems. Now that we have Arkiv 5 installed, I'm going to go through, I showed you how to add a user, which is probably the first thing, one of the first things to do. Second thing would be to add an archive, basically where you want your recordings to be stored. By default, if you're buying a server from us, it's probably done on the server itself. For example, I've installed Arkiv 5 on my laptop here, and the archive is not set up. So it's up to me to set it up, basically. So that might be one of your situations as well. So let's go dive right into this. So I'm going to go into my laptop here, root as the username and password. So it's going to open up. And instead of going, I'm going to go under devices once it opens. So here I'm going to go under tools on the right-hand side corner. Go under archive, which is the tab here. You see that little red dot, so basically it's not set up. So obviously, in my case right here on my laptop, I only have one drive. You may see multiple drives here on any recording server, such as ours. You'd see all of the different drives here. So I'm going to activate this C drive and just select, let me see, I'm going to say about this much, 38, I have 766 gigs. I'm just gonna, use a bit, basically. I can choose the color of that recording. By default, it gives you Alice Blue. I can do Aqua here, for example. It doesn't really matter, you can use the colors you want. And then simply press the apply button at the bottom here. I'm now creating an archive directly on my PC to store all of the different CCTV items directly into, or my devices directly into my laptop. In this case right now, it brings me to the next page automatically. So it brings me to the devices. It shows me what I want to do with the different feeds that I have. Okay, so that's going to be another clip. So thank you very much for attending. Please subscribe, encourage us anytime. There's lots of different videos that may or may not cover different things in this portion of the software. If you have any questions in the comments, please send us your questions. It will be our pleasure to answer those questions. Thank you very much.